Good morning, everybody. Oh, we finally got a little bit of a temperature rise in the 30s today. The birds are singing. And the chickens are calling. Good morning, girls. Hi, babies. Hi. You guys fed up with this cold weather yet? Yeah. We're gonna fill up your feeder. Oh, it's full. Okay. You still got crumbles. And you got water. Yeah, you got water. I'll go get you some scratch. Want scratch grains? Hey, back there, you're holding your foot up. Your foot cold? Huh? Yeah. Hi, Hot Wing. Hi there, pretty boy. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, let's get some scratch. Hi, kitty. How'd you get in here? We are down a half a barrel of scratch already. Cold weather. Yeah. Hi, babies. Those are the last chickens that I hatched in the incubator that you hear. And it turns out that I have 3 roosters and only 1 hen. And the roosters, the boys, are telling me good morning. And Sonny D, who's down there, he's yelling back at him. And that's Jade's son. Okay, let's go in here. Hi, boys. Hi. Hi, boys. Yes, you are pretty boys. You pretty boys. Yeah, you pretty boys. Yeah. Tick, 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 beep, beep, beep. And that little tiny hen back there. See how small she is. She's just a baby. Hi. Hi, boys. It's not springtime yet. There's you some. Oh, it's okay, you big chicken. Come on. I'm just putting you out some scratch. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay, silly boy. Here, let's shake your crumbs down. Yeah. You're okay. Night, what are you doing? That's a kitty cat. Yeah. Pretty boys. Okay, go eat. Go eat. Go eat. Yeah. so pretty, girl. Hi. Look at how pretty these boys are, too. Yes. All right, let's go. Hot Wings group. I'm coming. Yeah. Hold on. All right. Back up. Back up. This is hard to do. Here. It's okay. I'm just throwing food. I'm not throwing it at you. Yep. It's okay, Hot Wing. Here, bud. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Everybody share. Yeah, everybody has to share. Yep. Everybody share. There's plenty to go around. More than enough. Hey. Hi, Crimson. Hi, pretty girl. Crimson has a story. When I ordered all these chickens when they were babies from the hatchery, Crimson, the red one right there, she was given to me as a freebie. She's supposed to be a meat bird, and I was supposed to pass her on to someone in need. And I decided that she was going to stay a live meat bird. And we've had her since the beginning, since she was born. She's beautiful. And if I ever catch her doing it this spring, she runs and skips. So I'm gonna show you guys her skipping this spring. All right, guys. It's okay. It's just snow coming off the roof. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Now let me get my door closed. I just got a little snow on me. The snow causes the wood to swell, and it makes the door latch a little off there. Perfect. Hear those birds chirping? It's a sure sign of spring coming. Or warmer weather anyways. Or they forgot to fly south. Hi, baby. Kiki. We have a group of feral cats here on our little homestead. I think there was close to 20 of them. And we had them all spayed and neutered with the help of traps and funding from the spay and neuter clinic. Now that is not a feral cat. That is Night. That is my son, my youngest son's cat. He lives in the house, but he's a hunter by nature. Hi, Night. What you doing? He's probably waiting for me to come to the house to let him in. But I'm not done. Hi, guys. Hi, Sonny. Hi, peeps. Hi, peeps. I got some scratch. Yeah. Hi. Hi. You want some of this good stuff? I'm going to throw it back here. And some back here. Here, girls, here's some. Yeah. You guys still have crumbles. Not a lot, but yep, there's plenty in there to do you till tomorrow. Okay. Stay warm. Stay dry. It's not springtime yet, boys. Hey, like our little snow highway. Plowed out by my wonderful mom. Let me tell you, she's a workhorse. There's some more of the kitties. All right. JD. Hi. Hi, Jade. Hi, pretty boy. Whoa, I almost dropped my phone. Yeah, I almost dropped the phone. Here you go, baby. I know, you guys are probably full of scratch. You full of scratch grains? Because I feed you probably too much. Yeah. I overfeed. Yeah, that's why I have big, fat, fluffy chickens. Yeah. They're big, fat, fluffy chickens. Huh, Jady? Huh, pretty girl? Yep. All right. That's it for today. Bye, JD. Well, I'll stop up here and see if I can catch a glimpse of any of the kitties. Oh, there's one. That's Cole. His name is Cole. Hi, Cole. And he says, I'm out of here. And yes, the feral cats don't look as pretty and healthy as our pets that are indoors. But that's because they're feral. Feral means wild. So we can only treat them if we can get up close to them. And this is one of their little feeding areas that my mom has under the pavilion here for the feral kitty cats. There's a lot to learn about them. We have a lot of them. You just don't see them right now because, well, they don't like wet feet either. So they're trying to stay where it's dry. Oh, there's some right up here. And notice the ones that are feral and have been spayed or neutered, they have a cut off ear tip on one ear. That's how you know they've been captured and taken to the vet and spayed or neutered. Unless it's one, okay, see his ear is notched. He has one tip missing. And I can't tell if she does too. No, she may not. She doesn't. Unless it's been a cat that we've been able to handle ourselves. If they've been cage trapped, they've had their ear has been notched. That's so that we don't trap the same ones over and over. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. She has a notched ear. Anyways, that's it for today. And thanks for watching. I enjoyed your company. I hope you enjoyed mine. See you next time.